If you have mailing address to work with, you can make something called mailers. In order to do that, you can simply go on to the mailing list over here, and here you can see mailers option right here. So here you can see that you can select recipients, so you can go over here and you can type in a new list of recipients or choose from your Outlook contacts. I'm going to type in a new list, and over here you can see that you can add in different fields. For example, in the title I can type Mr. and first name I can put on Robert, something like that. But over here, and company name Tutor Tube. Alright, for the address line 1, I can type in the address, the street address, for example, A1, street 9, for example, whatever, the zip code, and so forth. So I can add in all the addresses right here. So I can add in, for example, city name right here. I can add in the state right here. Alright, let me just add in some random numbers over here, and the country as well. For example, in the country, I can type in something like India, and home phone, something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and work phone. Let me just copy that out, and the email address. Alright, there you go. So I can add in multiple entries right here to create a list. So I can add in a new entry, so I can add in a miss. I'm just gonna type in random numbers right here. Okay, random address right here, city name, state, and so forth. As you can see, you get the idea, right? Right? So just add in this, so China. Alright, there you go. Add in some bunch of numbers right here. Alright, there you go. Press OK. So that's where the mailers list is actually saved. So here you can see that once I do that, the mailers data, once you get saved. So I'm just gonna say data for test, and I'm going to press save right here. So you can see that these are the mailers recipients over there. So you can check it out or on just like that. So you can also add in more, so you can actually type in a new set of lists to add in more, or you can sort this out. I'm just gonna press OK right here. Once you do that, you can see that the edit recipient list actually comes in. So you can go over here, and there are the recipients to choose from. There are recipients that you can simply add in, or you can select from existing list or type in a new list right here, and then you can add in more entries as well. So that's how you start up mailers. And over here you can see that there's mailers field right here. So you can go over here where to type in first name. You can see that the first name appears over here. So basically this can be used to generate multiple contents. So there's first name, zip code, and then you may want to add in country just like this. And the function is actually here, so you can see. Another thing you can do is to go for address blocks, and this actually comes up with a random mailers options just like this. So there are different mailers styles that you can choose from, and you can simply press anything that you want to choose and then press OK, and the address block actually appears over here. So that is how you start up a mailers in Microsoft Publisher, and we're going to look at how to process mailers in the further lesson. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.